Welcome back to the channel. This is Finance Decrypted, and this is the Crypto.com Ruby Steel Visa debit card unboxing. I received this card in the mail recently, and now we're going to open it up and you can share in the experience. I've actually been using the card for, oh my goodness, almost a month now actually without having the physical card. This is because as soon as you stake your $400 worth of Pro tokens, you will receive your card number, your expiration date, and your 3-digit security code. So with that being said, with having that information, I've been able to plug in the appropriate numbers to make online purchases. But now we're going to open up the actual physical card for making purchases in person, and of course just to look at it because it's a pretty cool card. Anyway, here's the envelope it came in. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I guess this is the front, and that would be the back. Crypto.com logo there. So we have sort of a pull tab here to get into it. So let's do that. Oh, it's a little stubborn. Okay, here we go. So that is now open. Oh, and look what comes out. This little hexagon here. But we also in here have a note from Crypto.com. It is my pleasure to present you with your Crypto.com Visa card. You can activate and manage it through the Crypto.com app. Our 24/7 in-app live chat support will be available to answer any questions you may have. The Crypto.com Visa card is often the first step into an exciting new world. We hope it also proves to be the first step for you to take back control of your money, data, and identity. After all, it's a basic human right, and only blockchain technology can truly deliver on that promise. A simple ask: if our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps drive adoption better than real-world utility and chatting about it with a few good friends. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Chris Marszalek, CEO and co-founder, Crypto.com. So pretty cool. Okay, so opens up like that. Let's do this again. So I'm actually opening up the rear of it, and here's the card, Ruby Steel. Let's pop it out of here, and there's the front of the card. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That is a sturdy, thick card right there. Pretty cool. So looking forward to using the card. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you would like a card like this, you can get involved with Crypto.com. Links are in the description. Appreciate a thumbs up. And that's it until the next video. Thank you. Crypto.com app so that we can activate the card. You log in. We'll go back here, tap on card in the bottom right corner. And now we'll tap on the card icon in the upper right corner. Activate physical card. Enter new CVV found on back of the card. Activation success. Your physical card is activated. Tap anywhere to continue. Okay, set up your PIN for ATM withdrawal and POS purchase, point of sale. Okay, then it wants you to confirm your PIN, so you'll just type in that same number again. So that is how you activate your card.